Like super warm?
Yeah, like rain.
Oh, but rain but warm, like hot, humid, and muggy. I don't know, that'd be kind of interesting, wouldn't it? June and July were like that. I got a 75-pound pumpkin this year in my garden because June and July were so freaking hot. I mean, we usually get good-sized pumpkins, but not 75 pounds. It's a hernia picking it up. I want you guys to practice between now and Monday on this piece of paper. So I gave you guys 3 setups. 3 setups of triangles. I gave you the one where the 2 triangles are separate. I gave you the one where they're nose to nose, and I gave you the one where they're overlapping. Outside on Monday, hopefully, if this works with weather permitting, we're going to see an application of each one of these 3. So, what's up, Michelle?
I was just saying there's going to be light rain, 19 degrees.
19 degrees? Degrees? Or 90% chance of light rain? 19 degrees is going to be ice storm. Unless we're talking Celsius, which we might be. Oh, Celsius. That's 19 degrees is warm. Don't worry about it. We'll stay posted, right? I'll email you. Let's assume for now, default, we're going there. Unless you hear from me, I won't make you go outside in the rain for a long period of time. Okay. Here's what the first one looks like-ish. Okay, the second one looks kind of like this. Each of these has a corresponding application that you can use similar triangles with outside. Some of them involve the sun, some of them don't, some of them involve a mirror, but they all involve being able to measure large things, getting an idea of how large something is via similar triangles. What I want you guys to do, first of all, take your pencil and mark. We'll use dots.
That was Fahrenheit, by the way.
19 degrees Fahrenheit, and it will not be raining. It will be very, very, very cold and icy. Okay. Was that a low, maybe?
Low is 17.
The low is 19, yeah. So at night it'll be 19. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. It would have been nice to go outside today.
65 and partly sunny.
Yeah.
So on average, it's going to be 35. We're good. We are fine. 40 maybe. 40 maybe. We'll figure this out, friends. Bank on it. Weather reports do change, as you all know. When you're this close to the mountains, things are very, very much.
50% chance of being right.
I'm 100% right half the time. Let's set some numbers in here so you guys can practice between now and Monday to make sure that the math's all boned up. I want you guys to call out some numbers. I'm going to have you choose your own adventure. I'm going to have you guys make up the numbers. So for the first one, that's this guy here. 4. 11. 60. X. Find X in that first one. Okay, that's your first challenge. First one is to find X in that one. That's number 1. That's number 1. You have the tools now. You have the tools to do that after our discussion today and what we learned today and what we talked about today. Doesn't involve tangent curves either. Okay. Okay. These 2 angles are the same here. That's what that's indicating. That's angle of incidence, angle of refraction. If you've ever played with a laser pointer and a mirror, you've seen this at work. If you try to hit a mirror with your laser pointer, hit the far wall, you've learned this principle. The angle that a light goes in at is the same angle it comes out at. Fun stuff. All right, here we go. 16.
Pi.
3.1. No! Josh, you've been ousted. You've been ousted. 3. It doesn't have a big scale. It's totally fine. I heard 16 and 18. Let's go with 17. X. Some of these are going to be ugly. Good work, my friends. Good work. Good work. I like it. I like it. Okay?
22.
22? Is that what I heard? 22?
For the short?
22 goes to here.
22.
How about this piece right here?
Yeah. 8.
8. Thank you. This piece right here? 9? Is that what I heard?
10.
10. X. There you go, friends. There you go. Solve for X in those 3. That's perfect practice for Monday. If we don't go outside, I'll have a backup plan that we can do inside. That'll illustrate the exact same topics. Yeah, Josh?
Are these just for practice or returning?
Make those just for practice. I'll have you turn something in next week for it. Okay? So this is one of those repeated practice over long periods of time, different ways, and so forth and so on. So you have the in-class, extended in-class, what we'll do in class on Monday, the quiz, and finally the exam.
Thanks.
So hopefully it's the idea of hitting something over and over again. And Pam, thank you for that discussion earlier. It was great. It was great.